Assalamualaikum and good evening Malaysia! I'm your host Mr. Moose, and for this evening session, we will have a very special guest who is an economy specialist. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to Mr. Naveen. So Mr. Naveen, automation has been transforming industries, but it also raises concern about job displacement. Could you give us a brief of idea of how automation is impacting the job market and which industries affected the most?
Sure. Automation is the use of technology to perform tasks where human input is minimized. Even though it increases efficiency and productivity outcome, but it also causes problems to job availability. Industries that would be affected the most are manufacturing, retail, and even customer services that involve repetitive tasks.
And when is the origin of this automation-driven job displacement?
Automation began during the Industrial Revolution, when machines began doing some tasks instead of people. This made things faster and much more efficient. Now with things like AI and machine learning, machines can do even complicated tasks that were once thought only humans can do.
Mr. Naveen, how this situation is unfair to those who are losing their jobs?
Yes, it is definitely unfair for those who have been serving the company for a long period of time. Those skillful workers who had faced a hard time because they only know one type of job throughout their time of work.
So, from recent headline, the pandemic has forced industries to use robots and AI as their workers' replacement. Can you explain a little bit what is it about?
Amid the pandemic, businesses are turning to robots and AI to replace workers due to social distancing needs. With about 40 million US jobs lost at its peak, the unexpected rapid implementation was triggered by the pandemic's push for swift adaptation to health protocols, sparking a surge in automation.
So, where do you personally stand on the issue of automation and job displacement? Are you for or against it?
I believe there's more benefits from job displacement by automation compared to the harm it brings to the masses. So using act utilitarianism theory in this job automation is the right thing to do. I think it is good and acceptable.
How can society move forward in dealing with this matter?
Great question. We require cooperation among government, businesses, and education. Governments can incentivize skill development and help displaced workers transition. Businesses should empower employees and embrace new roles through automation, while educational institutions must update curricula for essential skills.
Thank you, Mr. Naveen. So that will conclude our session for tonight. Remember, as technology advances, staying adaptable and learning new skills will be crucial in navigating the change of job landscape. I'm your host, Mr. Moose, and I'll see you next time.